Hey, this is called Gone by the group Painted Shrines. It's a really great album they have. I think this is the most popular song. And in the intro to the song, they give us most of the chords in the song. A, B minor, which is the 2. A is the 1. B minor is the 2. This is C sharp minor. That's the 3. D is the 4. That's the intro, and then it goes into the 1. What's in your head to get you out of bed? Okay, so we got A. What's in your head? Then we go to C sharp minor. Back to A. Get you out of bed. Then it goes to the B minor. We'll tell you something I already know. So from the B minor, we go to D. Okay, that's the verse structure. C sharp minor, A, B minor, D, A, E. Repeats. The chorus is a lot easier. This song is so new I couldn't get the lyrics, but I think the chorus goes, you're living a lie, I'm already gone. I mean, I know this is how the chords go, but I'm not sure about the lyrics. You're living a lie. Could be saying you're living a life, I'm not sure. So it's D. It's just the 4. Actually, it's just quick change from A to E. Living a life, I'm already gone. All right, that's the chorus, and that's the last part of the song. Very end, they go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how they end it, just like the beginning. Okay, that's a great group. It's a duo, and two guys, and the whole album's really good. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.